Crypto arbitrage is a popular trading strategy in the cryptocurrency market that involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies on different exchanges or platforms in order to take advantage of price differences. While it can be a profitable way to make money, it also comes with its own set of pros and cons. In this introduction, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of crypto arbitrage, so you can make an informed decision about whether it is the right strategy for you. There are many platforms that offer crypto trading and therefore can be used for crypto arbitrage. Here are a few examples. Binance. One of the most popular crypto exchanges in the world, Binance offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies for trading and has a strong reputation for security and reliability. Coinbase. A well-known and trusted platform, Coinbase offers trading in a limited selection of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Kraken. Another well-established exchange, Kraken offers trading in a variety of cryptocurrencies and is known for its low fees and high trading volume. Bitfinex. A Hong Kong-based exchange that offers trading in a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, Bitfinex is known for its advanced trading features and high liquidity. Huobi. A Singapore-based platform that offers trading in a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, Huobi is known for its strong security and user-friendly interface. Bitstamp. A European-based platform that offers trading in a selection of major cryptocurrencies, Bitstamp is known for its low fees and high trading volume. It's important to note that different exchanges may have different trading pairs, fees, regulations, and geographical restrictions, so it's important to do proper research before using any platform for crypto arbitrage. On the positive side, crypto arbitrage allows traders to make quick profits from price differences in the market. As the crypto market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly, arbitrage opportunities can arise frequently. It also allows traders to take advantage of market inefficiencies that can occur between different exchanges or platforms. On the negative side, crypto arbitrage can be a high-risk strategy as prices can change rapidly and without warning. Additionally, it can be time-consuming and requires a significant amount of monitoring and research to identify potential opportunities. The trading fees and time to move the funds from one exchange to another can also eat into the profits. Example 1. Trader A notices that the price of Bitcoin is $10,000 on exchange X and $9,800 on exchange Y. Trader A buys Bitcoin on exchange Y for $9,800 and then sells it on exchange X for $10,000, making a profit of $200. Example 2. Trader B notices that the price of Ethereum is $1,000 on exchange A and $950 on exchange B. Trader B buys Ethereum on exchange B for $950 and then sells it on exchange A for $1,000, making a profit of $50. Example 3. Trader C notices that the price of a certain altcoin, let's call it ABC, is $5 on exchange C and $7 on exchange D. Trader C buys ABC on exchange C for $5 and then sells it on exchange D for $7, making a profit of $2. It's important to keep in mind that crypto prices can be very volatile and that these opportunities may not last long, so it's important to act quickly and to consider the trading fees as well as the time it takes to move the funds from one exchange to another. In summary, crypto arbitrage can be a profitable strategy, but it also comes with its own set of risks. Traders should carefully consider their own risk tolerance and the amount of time they are willing to dedicate to monitoring the market before deciding to pursue this strategy.